Hello cyber friends, this is Cecil here. Kids struggle with fractions and I've got something today that I reckon will really help them out. Some real key ideas that will help you understand fractions like never before. So here we go. Here's first idea. First thing you got to understand is that one number divided by the same number will always equal 1. Doesn't matter what that number is, it could be 1001 over 1001. The answer will always be 1. The second idea is that if you times a number by 1, it's not going to change. It's going to be the same number. So 1 times 1001 is still 1001. Now, the third thing that will help you understand fractions is how to multiply them. And that's really easy. Look, if I've got 2/5 times 3/7, all I've got to do is multiply the top two numbers together. So 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 sevens are 35. So you multiply them and then that's your answer right there. So these are 3 keys to understanding fractions, right? So bear those in mind. So first thing we're going to look at is how to simplify a fraction. So let's take something like 6 divided by 9. How do you simplify that? Well, what we're looking for is we're looking for ones that we can suck out, right? I call it sucking out ones. This is the key. This will be teaching this to all the kids so they wouldn't struggle so much. So here we go. This is how we suck out ones. We say that's the same because the 3 is a factor of 6 and 3 is a factor of 9. So let's pull out the 3's in these two numbers. So we got 6 is 3 times 2 and 9 is 3 times 3. See that? Now that's the same as 3 over 3 times 2 over 3. Remember, because this is how we times. 3 times 2 is the top, 3 times 3 is the bottom. Now look what that is. We said that a number divided by itself is always 1. So that's the number 1 there. And we also said that if I times a number by 1, it doesn't change. The answer is the same number. So this is just 1 times 2/3, which is just 2/3. So that's a simplified version of that fraction there. Cool, isn't it? All right. Let's see how we can use that same idea to get equivalent fractions. Let's say we have 2/3 plus 1/4. Let's say we want to do that. Now we know we've got to get the same number underneath. We need it to be a 12. So this 2/3 here, we want it to be something over 12. And we want this quarter to be also something out of 12. So what could we do? We think, well, I know I can times this by 1 and it's okay, it's not going to change it. But 1 is also a number over itself, so to get a 12, we need it to be a 4 underneath, so our 1 is going to be 4 over 4. On this side, our 1 has to be 3 over 3 to get the 12 there. So the top becomes 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, so this here is the same as 8 over 12 plus 3 over 12. See, these are the equivalent fractions, using the idea of the ones, right? So simplifying, we suck out ones, and equivalent fractions we multiply by a suitable kind of 1. You know, I hope this has helped you. Please let me know in your comments below if there's any other tutorials you want me to do for maths, and I'll see what I can do. Bye bye for now.